The STEADYARM Mini Shock Absorber Kit Open Box Video. The STEADYARM Mini Shock Absorber Kit will come neatly packaged in a brown box with all items nestled securely in laser-cut foam. The items in the box will include one mini shock-absorbing stabilizing arm with mounting clamp, one hydraulic damper, one STEADYARM backplane for DJI Ronin S, assembly screws, and matching Allen key, one coiled 4-pin power cable or one straight 4-pin power cable, your preference at checkout. Assembling the mini shock absorber kit is quick and easy. First, attach the hydraulic damper to the shock absorbing arm and clamp with the two smaller screws in the kit. Then attach the DJI backplane to the top of the hydraulic damper. Once secured, you can connect the 4-pin power cable to the power connector on the backplane. Once assembled, attach the mini shock absorber to any stand to test. For more information on the STEADYARM Mini Shock Absorbing Kit, visit Cinegears.com.